can we raise hands whoever exercises daily?
I'll come.
Oh, perfect. 1, 2, 3. Silence, please. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. I could not see that hands are going up and then slowly because I think I'm going to ask them. Yeah, because I think I'm going to ask them to perform some kind of exercises, crunches or squats, something like that. Okay, so I exercise daily. So I take my hand up. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. You exercise once in a month? I thought you exercise once in a month or once in a year. As Ramzan or Diwali comes once in a year, so I have people because it's my daily experience wherein right now it was a wedding season and then the girls and the grooms would come and say, I want to lose weight because I want to look good in the camera and then I will be on the stage, I am the man and it's the day for my life, so please lose my 20 kgs anyhow. So, it is not a joke. We are dietitians, we are nutritionists, but it is not a joke. We can, but it's about your own health, which is very important. So taking it seriously is a major issue, and I think so. We have an epidemic of diabetes happening, and from I think every 10 or 15 people, I think you would have at least 2 or 3 or 5 who would be diabetic or who are at the prone or who are at the risk of diabetes. So it is very, yeah.
See, the issue is the problem what happens, most of the people here are from sales and marketing, and even, of course, like I also had a long tenure in sales and marketing. The issue is that we know, see, mostly we do try to take this kind of foods, but the problem is the timing. So what happens, let me be very practical. We take a breakfast. Now we know that we take it heavy, to be the number one mistake, I know, but then that is how it goes. Then there's that sometimes you skip lunch. So I think 80% of the cases you skip lunch. Then what happens, by 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, we are, exhausted. By that time our calls are over by and large 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Then we jump to a junk food, whatever is there in front of us. Grab the food. Then by that time, lifestyle in metros like in Bombay or Delhi, we reach home by around. Yeah, I know that's true. But somehow we reach home maybe by around 9 o'clock, 9:30 and all. Watch little TV or whatever other social activities, maybe spending time with kids and all. Then we'll end up having dinner approximately at the time of around 11 o'clock, 11:30. So the routine is such, that honestly speaking, when I was pre-diabetic, I tried to stop this. Now probably it is little better. I am spending more time in the office than in the field, maybe around 50-50 time. But then again, being a pre-diabetic or going towards that, still I could not check it, and that is whenever, especially when I am in the field. So that is the major problem. Now what we look forward, ma'am, for you to be on the practical thing is that consider this as the ideal situation. Then what kind of food they should keep in their bag. I do understand that 2 hours they should take light food, at least 6 meals and all those things. So what they can keep handy in their bag, what may be practical, and how they can utilize it, that will be of great value to us, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Can I know your good name, sir?
I am Arnab.
Thank you so much for your input. I completely agree that today's man and today's women, working women who is handling house, who is handling their kids who are naughty and mischievous and who are getting smarter day by day, and also we have office wherein we cannot sit back at home and say that I have a special Karela tikki making and I have a ragi porridge and everything, and it looks very difficult. Now, I completely agree and I'm going to give you a diet plan. If you have noticed, of course I'm going to come to those points because those points itself is the solution to your whatever question that you have asked. And I also work, I think so from 6 o'clock maybe in the morning. Sometimes we have so many clients, or we have now 10 interns with us, and we also doing some international events and all, wherein we have to also go out of India and work accordingly. Now let me tell you various situation and then I also come to an answer. I think it's everybody who wants to ask this. Let me tell you, it's life and it's only one life, so you have to enjoy.